The winner of our BTEC Business and Enterprise Student of the Year and Young Learner of the Year is a person of great strength and resilience. She has maintained top marks throughout her course, despite also juggling 3 jobs and helping to care for her disabled sister. On top of her studies, she has made time to take part in extracurricular activities, including being a student representative for her class group, female student officer in the student union, and volunteering at St George's Hospital Stafford, supporting sexual assault and abuse victims. She is powered by the determination to build a better life through sheer hard work and academic achievement. Her passion for learning has opened up a whole new area of interest in organisational behaviour, leading her to securing a place at Aston University to study a BSc in Psychology and Business in the autumn. She is independent, empathetic, high-achieving, resilient, and absolutely remarkable. I am delighted to announce that our BTEC Business and Enterprise and Young Learner of the Year award goes to Lily Carcaterra.
She has shown sheer determination from the start. She's been hardworking. Like I said, she's built in herself from day one in terms of her confidence.
I chose to study a BTEC just because at the time I was at a point in my life, I think, where it was a bit turbulent and I did feel a bit lost. I'd recently left A-level studies and I wasn't too sure, where I wanted to go and what I wanted to do. Business has always been a topic that I've been interested in, and BTEC's learning and exam style really suited my individual needs.
Lily stands out because she's extraordinary. We've got many students who suffer hardship and do well. But Lily's got something that you can't teach. She's got grit and determination, and that is what will make her succeed in life.
She's like a sponge. She wanted to know more. She didn't just want to do, what we'd asked her to do. She'd always go that extra mile.
All the units I studied were really engaging in terms of content, and they often linked in with one another as well. So I found that really helped my understanding of the topic.
The first time I met Lily on her interview, she just had this thing, she just shone, and you instinctively knew that she was someone special.
Nothing was too much if somebody asked her for her support, within the classroom. She also took on a role as a student rep.
I am a firm believer that it doesn't matter how much you know if you can't apply it, and work experience kind of gave me first-hand experience in such a dynamic and ever-changing business environment, really.
She truly deserves it, and I hope, this goes to show her that through sheer determination she can achieve what she sets out to achieve.
I'd really want to go into the business world and make a difference as well. I'm really interested in the NHS's graduate scheme, so after uni that's a possibility.
And no matter what life throws at Lily, she'll dust herself off and she'll come back stronger and she'll be more determined. She absolutely deserves this. She's an amazing individual, and when we found out, I just cried. I just cried because I was just so proud of her.
For me, she's focused, she's diligent, she's determined, and she's a perfect student. Couldn't ask for anybody better.
I've struggled at points in my course, and there has been points in my course where, I thought I couldn't do it. And looking back now, I found out that I've won these 2 awards. It means a lot, and it just shows me that I should carry on believing in myself, really.